It's finally here, all-in-one design collections in Canva. One design, multiple formats, huge time savings for all users, but especially Canva teams and Canva enterprise clients. In this video, I'll show you this new release from Canva Create and stick to the end when I'll share why I think this is a game changer for teams and one very cool thing you can do with it. Hey, I'm Donna Moritz, a visual content strategist at Socially Sorted. I'm a Canva verified expert and a super creator of templates for Canva's library, with over 26 million downloads of my templates by Canva's users. I help teams and enterprise clients use Canva to create on-brand, high-impact visual content at scale. Let's jump in. I was just in Los Angeles as a guest of Canva for Canva Create with 30 other Canva verified experts from around the world. We were fortunate to have a front row seat as the Canva founders and team shared their latest launches with the world. Visual Suite 2.0 had me the most excited as it's so practical for your business. Collections of multiple sized documents is music to my ears, and it's available to all Canva users, both free and pro. There's no more juggling multiple tabs or tools, and you can group social media designs, presentations, whiteboards, ads, documents, videos, and so much more into one design. Let's say you're working on a campaign as a team. You can bring all your social assets, ads, messaging, and insights into one place so you can stay aligned as a team. Or level up your sales team with engaging presentation pitches, onboarding packs, customer data, whiteboards, videos, checklists, and more in one interactive design. And even teachers can get in on the fun. Create, organize, and deliver lessons all in one workspace, from lesson plans to worksheets to visuals and collaboration with colleagues. And of course, small business owners and solopreneurs can benefit from all-in-one designs too. Yes, I'm excited. Let me show you a demo. I've just opened this document and added a few different pages to show you how it works. We have an Instagram post here, then a portrait Instagram post as well. We've also got some Instagram stories, and I've just added different sizes of documents into this one design file. And then the last one here is a Facebook post. Previously, you couldn't do this. Now you can. Now, just as before, you can hit the plus sign to add a page, and it will add the same type of document as the one previous. So in this case, a Facebook post, or if I add this one here, it will add an Instagram reel or Instagram story. We'll just delete those for now because we want to focus on this little drop-down arrow. This lets us add multiple document types in the one design. We can add everything from new Canva sheets to docs to presentations to social media. As you can see, if I click on social media, I get lots of different options, or I can add a search term to find a LinkedIn background, for example. Then I just click on it and start designing. Let's also add, say, a whiteboard. So we click on whiteboard, and then go to our designs. I can use a template that I have ready, and we're all set to go. So our whiteboard is ready to go. Just like any other whiteboard, we can add sticky notes, we can collaborate, and it's all in the one design with everything else. I can come in here and add more pages. So let's say we want to add a presentation. We can do that. Add a couple of pages of a presentation or more. We can come in here and maybe we need to find a poster and we don't know which category to look in, so we can come to this More button and use the search term here, or the search field, and look for a poster. We can add a landscape poster and start designing. Or perhaps we want to add something custom. You can also add any custom size you like with this new Visual Suite 2.0 multi-design, which is very, very cool. I'm going to go back in here now, and I might add a Canva Doc. Maybe we want to collaborate on a Canva Doc. I can find a design I like and then just start editing it on my brand or in my brand colors. And then that's all set to go. I can change the title, change the content, ready for my meeting. And the cool thing is you can add just about anything here. I can add a video. Maybe I want to add a Facebook video ad or a mobile video. There are so many options. Also, I should add that if you add a presentation to your design, you can go into any existing brand template or existing design that you've finished, and it will give you the option for those to embed the design. So that can be quite handy if you want to make a presentation available as part of your multi-page design. It's a finished presentation. It's one that they can view, but that's another handy feature for this document type. Now anyone opening this design can view this presentation within it. I'm sure you can see why I'm so excited. I mean, this is great for anyone working in Canva, from a solopreneur through to especially teams working on projects or collaborating on a campaign or any kind of thing where you have to work with other people or work with multiple pieces of content. You can bring it all into one design. And as a template designer, this is hugely exciting for me because I've always wanted to be able to create collections and keep them together versus having to jump between different designs. So this is going to be very exciting. I think Canva's probably going to expand on this, but even this basic release is very, very functional and a huge win for productivity for teams. Which brings me to my final promise to give you a tip about how you can use this in a smart way by converting these types of multi-designs into brand templates. Now, this next step does require a brand kit and brand templates, so you will need at the very minimum a Canva Pro account or Canva Teams or Enterprise. So if you would like to trial Canva Pro, you can use my link on the screen for an extended trial of Canva Pro. Let's take a look. So let's say we want to put together an onboarding pack for our demo agency studio, should we? It's for a marketing internship, so it's for like 6 months, and the people that would access this group of documents or these designs would be maybe the senior copywriter or the head of content, the actual intern themselves, a couple of team members. So what we've got here is a presentation. So they can come in here and click through, and all of the information is here ready for the intern to view it. Everything about, what they're going to be doing in their days, their orientation, what sort of project they'll work on, etc. Then you've got maybe a whiteboard that you can work on. So it's all the onboarding, the intern project, the project goals, key platforms, content strategy ideas, the plan for the internship, project metrics, and any sort of action tasks. So that can be used throughout the project and can be collaborated on. You might have like a welcome to the team, Avery, it would probably say our new intern. So just some content ready to post up about that. Maybe you do something like ask the intern on TikTok or Instagram, so you have that all ready for your new intern to use, maybe some quotes, etc. for social. So just whatever you need to run that internship program, and it's all kept in one place. So, and here's the bit that I love. You can convert this entire collection of designs in the one design into a brand template. So come up here, publish as brand template. Now, I always recommend to my clients to save any template into a folder. Don't just add it to the general brand template stream of brand templates. Always save them into folders so you can keep organized. So I'll come in here to your projects. I have just a dummy folder here for brand templates, and we're just going to add it into the Studio Should We templates, and it will add to my brand kit as well, but by adding it into a folder, it keeps it organized. I hit add and then publish. So that's going to publish that entire collection as a brand template. So if we come now into our homepage and choose brand and then brand templates, you can see now that this one has appeared in my brand templates, which is again why I recommend always adding these to a folder, because this is just one long stream of templates. I have a few different brand kits obviously for demos, but this will just be a stream of templates versus if you have them in folders, they're much easier to organize. So just here, I can click on this brand template. You can see it's a multi-design versus a presentation or a mobile video. It's a multi-design. So we click on it and it will just show a preview of the first design. But if we click use this brand template, it will open up the entire collection that we had created. So now this is a new version of it. The brand template is kept as a master. So anytime we have a new intern, our team can just go to this template pack and open up all of these designs, and we can update it at any time. And so it's just a really great way to keep information that needs to stay together. And this makes it very easy for the entire team to access all of the visual assets they need to run each marketing internship. I hope that excites you as far as the potential of what you can do with these new multi-designs and collections in Canva's Visual Suite 2.0. I think this is only going to be expanded and get better. It's a game changer for teams, and like teams of any size, from 2 to 22 to 122. Reach out to me if you have any questions, but I think that we are all going to love working with this, and for me personally, I can't wait to create more collections. That's a wrap on multi-designs in Canva Visual Suite 2.0. If your business or organisation is looking for training in Canva Teams or Canva Enterprise, or a speaker for your next event, reach out. I love nothing more than helping teams of non-designers and designers ditch the agencies and create amazing on-brand, high-impact visual content in-house at scale. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me to create more content for you. Let me know what your favorite Canva Teams feature is, and check out the video on the screen for more Canva tips for your team. That's it from me. Stay creative.